So this video also we are going to continue with the unit number 6 National Health Programs. In this video we are 20-point program. We will be seeing what are the 20-point programs. The 20-point program was first launched by the Government of India in 1975. So its introduction 1975 में था. It was first revised in 1982 and again in 1986. So 1975 में इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, उसके बाद दो बार वो रिवाइज किया है, फर्स्ट इन 1982 and second in 1986. Over the years, the need for reconstructing the program has been felt in the light of achievements and experience, as well as the introduction of several new policies and programs by the Government of India. देखिए जब years पास हो रहे तब जब नया नया नीड्स आता है तब क्या हुआ था, और अचीवमेंट्स और एक्सपेरिमेंट्स क्या है तब क्या हुआ था, इसमें पॉइंट्स ऐड करके गए हैं. The reconstructed program called the 20-point program 2006 was approved by the cabinet on 5th October of 2006 and operated with effect from 1/4/2007. So 1975 से लेके 2006 तक क्या हुआ था, जब टेक्नोलॉजीज और एक्सपेरिमेंट्स अपनाया किया, बहुत सारा रिसर्चेस किया है और बहुत सारा प्रोग्राम्स अपने नेशनल प्रोग्राम्स अप्लाई किया, तब क्या हुआ था, ये प्रोग्राम 20 पॉइंट प्रोग्राम इम्प्रूव करके 2006 में 20 पॉइंट प्रोग्राम नाम के एक नया प्रोग्राम कैबिनेट अप्रूव किया है तब 5th October 2006 को, and the program was come on effect on the date that is from 1st April 2007. This program is meant to give a thrust to scheme relating to poverty alleviation, employment generation in rural areas and housing, education, family welfare and health, protection of environment, and many other schemes having a bearing on the quality of life, especially in the rural areas. The 20-point program has a creative opportunity for both the political and economic development. Economic development and politics are very much connected together, and it is always the latter determines the choice of development model. Hence, the success of 20-point program depends on the political awareness of the party and the people to establish a truly democratic, scholastic and sovereign republic. 20-point program 2006 originally consisted of 20 points and 66 items being monitored individually by central nodal ministries concerned. The program and schemes under the TPP 2006 are in harmony with the priorities contained in the National Common Minimum Program, that is NCMP. What are the objectives of 20-point program of 2006? It renews the nation's commitment to eradicating poverty, raising productivity, reducing income inequalities, and removing the social and economic disparities. The programs aims at spreading the benefit of the development evenly with a view to promote socio-economic justice by measuring that the basic requirements in regard to food, clothing and shelter, medical care and education are reasonably met. Promote socially desirable programs like family planning, forestry, development of alternative energy resources, and curb antisocial tendencies. So these are the objectives. Objectives क्या है, जो भी मिनिमम नीड्स होते हैं लाइक एजुकेशन, पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलना है, रूरल डेवलपमेंट्स, ठीक है, वो सब कुछ इसमें आता है. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन, दैट इज HUPA, is the nodal ministry for the following 3 points in 20-point program. First one is Garibi Hatta, that is poverty eradication for urban areas, Sabke Liye Awas, that is housing for all, and Basti Sudha, that is improvement of slums. We will see what are the list of 20 points. ये point program का नाम क्या है, 20 point program, तो इसमें 20 point होना चाहिए. We will see what are the 20 points of this included in the 20 point program. First one is attack of rural poverty. Next, strategy for rain agriculture, better use for irrigation water, bigger harvest, enforcement of land reforms, special programs for rural labor, clean drinking water, health for all, two-child norm, expansion of education, justice for SC and ST, equity for women, new opportunities for women, housing for the people, improvement of the slums, new strategy for the forestry, protection of the environment, concern for the consumer, energy for the villages, and a responsive administration. These are the 20 points program. So we will see what are the points that are related to health. Points 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15 and 17 are directly or indirectly related to health. List of 20 points in 2006. Poverty eradication, poverty people, support to farmers, labor welfare, food security, housing for all, clean drinking water, health for all, education for all, welfare of SC, ST and OBC and other minorities, women welfare, child welfare, youth development, improvement of slums, environment protection and deforestation, social security, rural roads, energization of rural area, development of backward areas and IT enabled e-government. So these are all about 20 point program.